Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable mobile hotspot on HP Pavilion 15. So there is no SIM card in this laptop, so you'll not be sharing the mobile data, but you can use the mobile hotspot to either share your data from the Wi-Fi, so it'll just work as a repeater access point, so it'll be on the same Wi-Fi network, but you'll just connect to the laptop and it'll go to the Wi-Fi through it. Or you can share it from the Ethernet connection, so if you have your Ethernet cable plugged into your laptop, then it'll work this way as well. Now let's just go to the option that I want to enable. So let's go to settings, then network and internet, and go to mobile hotspot. Now you can enable that. Also, if it's disabled, then you can select what to share your internet connection from, so either Wi-Fi, or if you have Ethernet cable connected, then you can also select it. I'm gonna enable it now. You can also choose what to share it over Wi-Fi or over Bluetooth, because there is an option to do Bluetooth tethering. Then you can also enable power saving, so it will automatically disable a mobile hotspot if no devices are connected. And here you can click on edit to edit the network properties. So I'm gonna just change the password because it's quite difficult. I'm gonna set it to just 0000. So it has to have at least 8 characters, like it has now. Now you can change also the network band, so I'm gonna set it to 2.4 GHz and save it. And now I'm gonna go to my other device. Okay, now the settings are applied. And let's go to my phone. And on the phone, you'll see your Wi-Fi network here. So I'm gonna just disable and enable the Wi-Fi. Then I can see it here. I can enter the password. And it's connected. It also shows my device name, IP address, and physical address here. And it says that 1 of 8 devices are connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.